What's up, guys? Will H back with another video, taking a look at some speakers that were sent out to me by the company Jeecoo. So big shout out to them for sending these over for a review. You can pick these up on Amazon.com. Price is going to be $29, and I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to go over and pick them up. Now, these are the Jeecoo M20 computer speakers. These are for your desktop. You can use these with your tablets, your laptops, and your cell phones. These are Bluetooth V5.3. Now, these can be used independently, separate like this, or you can convert them together to make a sound bar. Now, these also include gradient RGB lighting, and that is pretty much it. So I'll drop the link, like I said, down in the description if you guys want to pick these up. Here's the packaging. Very nice, green, black, very colorful packaging. Jeecoo M20. You got your RGB lighting on the end right here. And it says customize your desktop. So all of the components that you can use this with. Here are some of the specs. As you guys see, these are going to be 5 watts a piece. Give you some other information there. These are going to be 1.5 pounds. And then on the back, it's showing you that you can use these, how to combine these to make one sound bar right there. So the button functions, you long press for 3 seconds, going to turn it on and off. Double click will put it from wireless to USB mode. 1 click will change your RGB lighting, and then rotate the knob for your volume. And then here are some more of the specs here. You guys see? So let's go ahead and get into the box and check this out. All right, guys, so everything in the packaging that you're going to get your user's manual, which this shouldn't be too hard to figure out. Like I said, you can use these independently, or you can combine them together and use them as a sound bar. So that is it. You're going to have your USB-A in here. Now you can plug this into a regular wall brick, or you can use something like a portable charger. And then you're going to have your 2 wires in between. Now, I think these are about 3 feet, about 31 inches apart when you stretch that out. And then here are the speakers. Yeah, see, this is all plastic. The only thing that's metal is the front grill. As you guys can see inside of it, you kind of peep in there and see the speaker. And then this is going to be your sound, your gradient lights in this area here. And this is going to be your knob for controlling Bluetooth, your volume, and your RGB lights as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get some devices, and we'll try these out. All right, guys, so I have my Surface Laptop Go 2 here. It does have a USB-A plug on the side of it, and we're going to go ahead and check out the speaker sounds now. But first, I want to play the speakers on the laptop. That way you can get a better feel for how the speakers, these Jeecoo speakers, are going to sound. So the laptop is at max volume, so let's go ahead and play a little bit. All right, that is the laptop speakers coming through. Now, these have the Omni speakers that come straight up out of the laptop. So now we're going to go ahead and plug in the Jeecoo speakers to the USB port. Just like that. Now, USB mode. As you hear, it announced that it's in USB mode. That will power the speakers as well. And like I said, if you have a power brick or something like that, then you can also power them like that as well. So as you guys see, the RGB lighting came on immediately, and this is what they look like. So we're going to go ahead and cycle through. So that's blue. Going to have red, and that is purple. That looks like a green, or not sure, and that turns off. So those are the different colors there. And let's go ahead and play some music here through the speakers. Let you guys hear how they sound. So it gives you an audible when they're maxed out. All right, guys, as you guys see, they sound pretty good. The bass is pretty good. The mids and highs are very, very good on it. These are only 5 watts, but they put out some great sound in comparison to what the laptop is doing. So what I'm going to do next, we're going to try these in the Bluetooth mode. I'm going to bring in my tablet, and I'll power these with a power brick with a portable power charger, and then we'll try the Bluetooth out on them. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have my Galaxy Tab S8 in place. I am powering the speakers with my Anchor power bank. Now we're going to turn these into a sound bar now. So you just simply, there's a slide plate here and a receiving plate over here. So what you're going to do is line these up just like that, push it together, and there's your sound bar. So I'm going to place these back here like that, and we're going to go ahead, and as you see, it's not too much wider than the tablet, and this is the small tablet. This is the 8. This is a way to make this portable. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the Bluetooth pairing mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Click it twice, and I'm going to come over here to my tablet and see if we can find it, and there it is. Jeecoo M20, and we're going to go ahead and pair that. So we're getting a pairing request.
Device paired.
And as you guys hear, it is paired. And let's go ahead and play some music through Bluetooth. I already have a selection pulled up here. So let's go ahead and try this out. Now you can control your volume from the device that you have paired to it or plugged in. So as you guys see, there's no issue with Bluetooth working on it as well. And it looks great as a sound bar as well. So let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay guys, so this has been my look at the Jeecoo M20 USB and Bluetooth speakers that you can very easily convert into a sound bar. They have the very nice RGB lighting, and they sound pretty decent for the price. So if you want to get these for someone that's like a stocking stuffer or something like that, or you don't need a very expensive pair of speakers, these will do. So the link will be in the description. Will H. I'm out.